Let's check out 5 health benefits of chicken breast. 1. High in protein. Chicken breast is a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. A 3.5-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast contains about 27 grams of protein. 2. Low in calories. Chicken breast is a low-calorie food, making it a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. A 3.5-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast contains about 165 calories. 3. Contains essential vitamins and minerals. Chicken breast is a good source of vitamins B6 and B12, as well as niacin, phosphorus, and selenium. These vitamins and minerals are important for a variety of bodily functions, including energy production, blood cell formation, and immune system function. 4. Helps boost the immune system. Chicken breast is a good source of zinc, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Zinc helps the body fight off infection and repair damaged tissue. 5. May help reduce the risk of heart disease. Chicken breast is a good source of lean protein, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Lean protein can also help you feel full, which can help you eat less overall. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to creating delicious and nutritious chicken breast meals. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and tips to make the most of this fantastic ingredient. Thanks for watching.